Can anyone just let me know what is the final matrix that you have got? For choosing, right, the rows and columns, or else to make that assignment, what is the final matrix that you have got?
So on fourth step, we got this AD.
No, I just want the complete matrix, not just the answer.
Okay.
Just tell me the row. What's the first row?
First row that it's like the diagonal X. So 0, 2, 0, 0.
0.
And the second row 0 and that null character, and 1 again 0, 0.
Okay, can you just come up again? There is some network related issue. Call is getting disconnected. Okay, 0. The first you're saying column wise or row wise?
Row wise, sir.
Row wise. Okay, the first row 0. Next one
0. Actually, the first one is like
first one is null.
Crossed out.
It's
Sir,
a
null,
crossed
sir.
one.
Crossed one, null.
Yeah, okay. First one is null. Okay. What is this one? What is?
Second is 0.
0.
0.
2, 0, 0.
2, 0, 0. Okay.
Then second row is 0, null, 1, 0, 0.
1, 0, 0. Okay.
Third row is 2, 1, null, 3, 0.
3, 0. Okay, fine.
Fourth one is 0, 0, 3, null, 4.
Yeah.
Same. Okay.
Last row is 0, 0, 0, 4, null.
4 or 3? 3, right?
4, right? Because that was intersecting.
Okay.
So it will be added up. 1.
Yeah.
1 will be added to it.
Correct.
So again screen went off.
I think he got disconnected.
Oh.
I'm sorry, there was a network issue. So what's the last row?
0, 0, 0, 4, null.
4 null. Okay. So what's the answer you got? Possibly 20 or 21. What do you got the answer? The total cost?
20, sir. 20, sir.
20. Let me tell you something. Actually, that's not the answer for this. Okay. So still we have one more step that we need to discuss to solve this problem. Okay. So just kindly observe what I'm doing. Okay. So okay. You see how we start making assignment actually. So if we choose 1, 0, possibly we will be just cancelling the 0 in the corresponding column or the corresponding row. Okay. So what I will do is I'll take this one. So if I take this, possibly I'll be cancelling only one column, right? So I will take D. Okay. So and I will cancel this 0. Okay. So I will.
So I think we can take B because I saw in this step itself we are able to close.
Okay. So we can take D. So we can take D means we have to cancel the 0 of B, E and also another column. Okay. So I have deleted all the zeros, corresponding zeros. So then if we choose this, right? So possibly we need to cancel these two and also this one. Okay. So shall I go ahead with A?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead with A? I'll just log this A. I will choose A. If I choose A, I need to delete the corresponding rows and column other zeros.
Yeah.
Okay. So the third row, there is only 1, 0. So there is no problem. I can choose this. And in the fourth row, there is 1, 0. If I choose this, I need to cancel this 0. Delete it. Hello. You see, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, now you are. Now you are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You see, A is now assigned to who? A is assigned to D, right? So then now B is assigned to A. Okay. So C is assigned to E, right? C is assigned to D, and E is assigned to what is it? C. You see, just consider A is now assigned to D, and the next the D is going to B, and after that again B is going to A, right? So actually we are missing one root. So can you understand this? A, from starting from A, right, the person goes to D, right? Starting from D, the person goes to B. Starting from B, the person goes to A, but E the person is not covering. Am I right? You see, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
You see, just try to figure it out. A person is starting from A, the person is going to a D location. From D location, the person is going to B. And after that, from B, the person is going to A. What happened to C and D? The person is not visiting that places, right? Okay, so here the objective of the problem is, if it starts from A, it has to end in A. If it starts in B, it has to end with B. Okay, so this is the objective of traveling salesman problem. This is okay. So then how we can solve this problem? Any idea? Hello, can you not respond to me? Hello.
Sir, actually I solved it in this step itself by assigning the zeros differently.
You see, if you start from A, you have to end in A. But you see, we are not covering two places, right? If you start with A is going to D. Then after D, the person will be visiting B. And after B, the person will be again coming back to A, right? The person is not visiting locations C and E, right? Can you understand this? The person is not visiting the place again. Okay, so the answer that we got in this specific step, no, that is not a right answer. So we have to solve, or else we have to follow one another step to get a answer. Okay, shall I solve it? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Can hear you, sir.
Okay, so what I'll do is I will start assigning again. Okay, okay. What I will do is I will solve this problem again. So which is the next least number? The least number is 0, right? So what is the next least number?
1.
1.
What is the next least number?
1.
1. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to start with 1. Instead of 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 1 instead of 0. There are 2 ones in this specific problem. Okay, so in the second row and also in the third row, right?
Sir, your
So what I'm going to
screen
do is, first row there is no 1.
Sir, screen sharing got.
I'll be taking any one of the 0. Okay,
So sorry,
I'll take the
sir,
0
but the
for an.
screen is not
Screen is
shared.
not visible, sir.
I shared my screen actually. Is it not
No,
visible?
but it got
No, it's not
got
visible, sir.
disconnected.